Finding an NHS dentist made easy. Step-by-step instructions. Finding an NHS dentist can be crucial for maintaining good oral health, especially if you live in the UK, where the National Health Service or NHS provides dental services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you find an NHS dentist. Number 1. Understand NHS dental services. Before you start looking for a dentist, it is essential to understand how NHS dental services work. In the UK, NHS dentists provide basic dental care at a subsidized cost. Number 2. Visit the NHS website. The NHS website is an excellent resource for finding NHS dental services in your area. Go to the NHS website www.nhs.uk and navigate to the Dental Services section. Number 3. Use the NHS Find a Dentist service. On the NHS website, use the Find a Dentist service. This tool allows you to search for NHS dentist by location. Enter your postcode or area to find nearby NHS dental practices. Number 4. Check availability. Once you have found a list of NHS dental practices in your area, check their availability. Some practices may be accepting new NHS patients, while others may not. Look for information on the practice website or contact them directly to inquire about availability. Number 5. Consider location and accessibility. When choosing a dentist, consider the location and accessibility of the dental practice. It should be conveniently located and easily accessible by public transportation or car. Number 6. Read reviews. If available, read reviews of the dental practices you are considering. Online review platforms or social media can provide valuable insights into the quality of care provided by a particular dentist or practice. 7. Check NHS Choices ratings. NHS Choices provides ratings for dental practices based on patient feedback and other factors. Consider these ratings when making your decision. And speaking of ratings, may I humbly ask you to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 8. Contact the dental practice. Once you have identified a few potential NHS dentists, contact them to ask further questions and schedule an appointment if necessary. Be sure to inquire about their NHS registration status and any specific services they offer. Number 9. Ask about fees and treatments. During your initial contact with the dental practice, ask about the fees for NHS dental treatments and any additional charges you may incur. Also, inquire about the range of treatments they offer under the NHS. Number 10. Schedule an appointment. If you are satisfied with the information provided by the dental practice and they are accepting new NHS patients, schedule an appointment for a checkup or initial consultation. Number 11. Complete registration forms. Before your first appointment, you may need to complete registration forms. These forms gather essential information about your medical history and dental health. Number 12. Attend your appointment. On the day of your appointment, arrive on time and be prepared to discuss your dental health with the dentist. They will assess your oral health, discuss any concerns you may have, and recommend any necessary treatments. Number 13. Regular checkups. After your initial appointment, schedule regular checkups as recommended by your dentist. Regular dental visits are essential for maintaining good oral health and preventing dental problems. By following these steps, you can find an NHS dentist in your area and ensure that you receive the dental care you need at an affordable cost. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Life can throw us all sorts of challenges, but it is important to remember that every setback is an opportunity for growth. We are all capable of overcoming obstacles and finding happiness, even in the darkest of times. Let us continue to uplift and support one another, to chase our dreams with passion, and to always choose kindness. Together, we can create a world filled with love and positivity.